Hello, I was gifted this metal handrail from the seller so I could show you all its cool features and how you install it. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what you get when you buy it. Alright, so it's all packaged up here in bubble wrap. It also comes with instructions. Alright. I'm going to go install it and show you how it looks. This is very easy to install. They just screw together. So you got a little small part right here. I'm going to screw it into the part that bolts up to your wall or wherever you're wanting to mount it. And then you have a 90-degree part right here. Just screw that to that one. We'll do that for the other side. Just like screwing some pipes together. It's super simple. And you got the handrail part. Just going to screw that together. And do the other one. Sorry, put the wrong part on. You got to do the 90 onto here. Make sure they match up. It does come with all the wood screws that you need, or mollies if you need to put it into concrete. It also has a bit, so if you need to drill into that concrete. I'm just going to put mine into my wood rail right here just to give us something else to hold on to when you're going up the stairs. Just screw it in. There's 4 screw spots here and all the proper screws that you need to install it. So that's going to be a nice extra handrail when we have some elderly people coming up the stairs. So if you guys need a handrail like this that can attach to wood or concrete or whatever you need, it's a very simple design and very sturdy. So if you guys need a handrail, go ahead and get this one.